Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about short video that related to how to use the TIA Portal version 17 to create the UDT and faceplate to control the PLC Simatic S7-1500. Okay. So here is my hardware and here is my software that connect to the Profinet and my PC via LAN cable. Yes. For UDT, it stands for user-defined data type, and we can create one more and more library that we can use for apply. Yes, it means that we use only one platform or only one library, and then we can apply to another library that we want to use. Okay, just copy and paste. So the benefit of this UDT, so we can save the time to create the program. Yes, it means that we create only one library and then we can apply to another function that we can use. Yes. So first let's go to our software. I will show how to create it step by step and simulation also. Okay. So here is the TIA Portal version 17. So first let's go to open. And next step we will create the new project, right? So we can click here, create new project. But the project I already created here. Yes, so I open it. I will detail in the full tutorial in the next video. So here it just highlight about how to create it. So let's go to project view. And then go to hardware configuration. We need to add the hardware, device configuration. So first we need to choose the CPU. Yeah, this is the CPU type, the same as my slide here. And we need to add some I/O that we would like to use. I will add 3 I/O. Yes, digital input, digital output, and one more for digital input. Okay. After that, we can go to the PLC data type here. Basically, we can create the new by push this tab and then rename to be another name that we want, and then double click to define the parameter of this data type here. So example, I have stop command, start command, drive, set frequency, feedback frequency, fan current out. Okay. After that, we go to create the data block. Go to program blocks. Click here to create the data block. I will create one here, and then rename to fan db. And here we can define, yes, fan 1 and use the data type fan d UDT here. Yes, and then we will got the parameter like this. And for the fan 2, fan 3, fan 4, and fan 5, we can also copy from fan 1 to apply until fan 6. And then we will got like this. Because the data type is the same fan UDT, right? Okay. After that, we can go to add the new block, and then we can add the FC, the function FC1, and then we can create some logic that we would like to control the electrical device. Example, I will create the example for stop, start, and the output, and here just example. We can create the same from FC1 to FC6 for control the sequence. And then we can compile and download. Can compile and download the hardware configuration. I will download. Because we already connected the LAN cable from PLC to my PC, right? So we can download. We can load. After that, we can go to create the new devices for HMI, right? So here is the HMI one. Actually, we can click here, double click here, and then we will got the HMI here. And then I will create 3 screens. The first one is default screen. And this screen I create only one for faceplate here. I will edit to show everyone. And then we need to create one property, and then put the name of the library, and then choose the data type as fan UDT. But before we can choose here, fan UDT here, we need to drag and drop the UDT, fan UDT to the library here. It means that drag and drop from this one. Click and then drag and drop to the type, and we will go like this. So I will go to edit again. After that, we will got like this. All data type that we already defined on the UDT, fan UDT, we will got start, stop command, start command, try, set frequency, feedback frequency, fan current in, fan current out. And also I drag and drop the name, this one, from the text file to here. And then I will create one more for hidden the faceplate. And we can go to property, and then set the property one by one. Example for button start. Button start here, I go to event, and then freeze. I will set bit, and then set bit the fan library, and then choose the start command. And for release, I will reset bit. And we can do the same procedure. And for this one, we can go to property, go to general, and then choose the take from the property one. And then if we would like to hidden all this one, we can select all, and then we can go to animation, and let's see here, visibility. We can choose the tag that I already created here, for visible the faceplate, and choose invisible. After that we can release the version, yeah, and then we can save, but here no need to use it because I already created. After that we can go to our page, and then we can go to property and go to interface. We will got the interface that we already created here. So fan list, fan library, I choose the HMI tag here, and then we can choose the tag from the program blocks here, fan 1, yes, like this, and this one for visible the fan, because I already define more tag here, the internal tag. Okay, here one, sorry, the internal tag on HMI, right? This tab. Totally I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 visible. It means that if I click here, example I simulate here, the faceplate will hidden, right? So wait a moment for compile and start the simulation. Okay, let's see here, the faceplate will hidden, right? But if I click here, it will pop up. I close here, it will hidden. Yes. So how to do this one? We need to have the tag for visible here. Yes. Fan 1 to fan 6 visible. And then we can go to the picture from the toolbox here. From here. And then we can insert one more button. And then choose the apparent. We can choose transparent. And then we can go to event, and then when click I will set bit the fan visible that I already showed the internal tag here. Yes, we will got the faceplate. Okay, and we can do the same for fan 1, fan 2, fan 3. Yeah, for example for fan 3, go to interface, and then this one I choose fan 3 here, and here is the fan 3 dB, fan 3 visible. Yes, so we can do the same. We will go like this. Yes, and then we can simulation. Okay, and then we can simulation. And for the PLC, we can go to main OB1, and then we can call the all FC to the network. Yes, we can call like this, drag and drop FC1, FC2 until FC6 here. And here we need to turn on the PLC hardware, so we can use the drive from this one, and then link to outside, link to here and start the output. Yes. After that we can online to check. And then we can monitor. Okay, that's good. Let's see now, the fan 1 was running, fan 2 was running. Actually we can stop first. Yes, I will come back to the fan 1. Let's see, the output of PLC was turned off. Yes. And if I start the fan 1, fan 2, fan 5, fan 6, fan 3, and fan 4. If I would like to stop, I can stop, start. So all fan was running. Yes. Oh, why this one not run? Let me check. We can go here to check the condition of fan. Maybe some text confused, so we can go to interface again. Oh, this one. So we need to add the text here, fan 1, and save. And simulation again. And then we will check again. So our fan was running. Yes. So this is just an example about how to use the function UDT. Yes. And create the faceplate of TIA Portal to control the example, control the motor fans. Yes. So thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, I will show and share in the full tutorial in the next video, because this video just highlight about the how to create the project and then create the faceplate by using the TIA Portal. Okay. So I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also, to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.